Let's go ahead and get into a quick little countdown. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, first and foremost, bro, it's been a while, but shout out to the homies at Spree Collective. You know, we still kinda in pandemic terms. Oh, wait. First and foremost, go in the comment section down below and let me know, are we still in a pandemic? Yes or no? Because I honestly, bro, I don't know, bro. I be outside hooping. I be outside working out. I be at work. I be doing everything. So let me know in the comment section down below. Are we still in a pandemic? I don't know. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, it's been a minute since I posted a video on this channel, but as you guys already know, another video, another sneaker pickup. Just from looking at the title, you guys already know what it is. You guys already know that we got some flames coming for you for today. But before we get into this video, bro, please go ahead and check out the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter. That's going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Also, is there like spit right here, bro? Listen, sometimes when you making these videos, you be having to check your lips because you be talking so much that spit be building up right here, and it's actually real gross. But the big announcement that I do have to tell you guys is on Instagram. I have a new Instagram, right? And it's not just any type of Instagram. It's something that I've been wanting to bring forth for a very long time, and that is my very own sneaker blog. So you guys already know I have multiple channels. I also have this channel right here, this Chris Briggs channel, where the bulk of my fashion and sneaker mayhem really I just go crazy with the sneaker stuff on this channel, you feel me? I have a Instagram specifically made for that. So I have a whole sneaker blog, and guess what my sneaker blog is called, bro? Kicks and Castles. Just hearing that, bro, I could almost shed a tear, bro, because it's almost like everything goes full circle. So my brand new Instagram, my brand new sneaker blog is going to be called Kicks and Castles. So all the latest, almost like when you watch my sneaker news videos and I'm going through all the latest kicks. Yeah, I'm going to be doing that, but like throughout the day over on there. I'll still be doing the sneaker news videos over here also, and I'll also like be including some different types of videos on that channel too. I'll be giving you guys shout outs, all that stuff, doing fits, you know, best subscriber fits, best homie, best family fits, all of that. So go ahead and check that Instagram out. It is going to be at Kicks and Castles with one extra S. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper. We have a crazy sneaker pickup for today. You guys are going to enjoy it. So let me go ahead and get the box. My do-rag. So when it comes to, let me wipe the quest on my eyes, bro. So when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, man, my thought process regarding the sneaker game has kind of changed, man. It wasn't the same way that it was before. Beforehand, my mindset was like, buy everything. But over the last week, bro, I've kind of been chilling out a little bit. Maybe I've just been buying a lot of shoes, you know. But these right here are some of the greatest shoes of 2020. And like I say that all the time, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, I kind of don't be lying at the same time, because I'm kind of really telling the truth. Like with the Grape 5s, fire. But these right here, even more fire. So without further ado, listen, if I hold the bag up, you're going to already know what it is. So let's go ahead and get into a quick little countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh man. You see it? Oh my goodness. The the fire, the dopeness. You see the box, that black and red iconic Nike box, just means that it's an Air Jordan 1. This is an Air Jordan 1 box. And when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, I had to pick up. I got extremely lucky on the Air Jordan 1 BIOHAK. Oh, man. Oh, man. Hold on. Ooh, man. Oh, man. Trying to make sure I'm getting these. It's kind of dark right now, so I'm kind of trying to make sure I'm getting these colors. Wow. Oh my goodness. These just look insane, bro. Insane. Now when it comes to the view I just showed you, it might be a little hard to see. If it is, bro, you already know I'm gonna throw some B-roll in there. But the sneaker pickup is the Air Jordan 1 High OG BIOHAK. And this is one of the most wildest, different, colorful, but kind of like calming colorways of the Air Jordan 1 that I have ever seen. Seeing this on like the Sneaker News website and seeing that it was scheduled to come out just had me thinking, like, what was there to expect when it comes to this? Like, I had no idea what to expect. But now getting this shoe in person, it's fire. It's great. If I had to tell you my favorite part of the shoe, it's the interior. It's the pink interior. Now, without this pink interior, this sneaker would still be fire, but I don't think it would be the same amount of fire that it is right now. This pink interior and this like almost turquoise toe right here, then hit off with like that mango tongue, is just a different breed. We also get a mango tongue, we get a silver swoosh, we get like black panels right here. We get like a Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 brown look over here. And then it's like we get a waffle racer tongue because the tongue is all deconstructed. This right here is a crazy look. It's a different look. The one thing that I do think is cool is that patch right here. You look closely, it says Nike Air, but it is stitched in. That is a really cool look. Now, if you want to get a more in-depth look at the tongue over here, you'll see how it's kind of like not upholstered. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not fully put together. Like, it's kind of just left out. Like, it was like left unstitched. And in a way, it's pretty cool because it gives it like this super cool vintage feel. Another cool thing about this shoe, I can't really get into a review. This is just a quick little unboxing. But another cool thing about this shoe is the midsole, because the midsole is almost like this weird glow in the dark type of color, like this Volt like glow in the dark type color. And you see like there's lights all around me, right? When my lights are off and just these lights are on, this almost glows. You can almost see it right now. Like in the black light that you see, it's almost kind of glowing with the backlight. So I think that is super cool. Honestly, when it comes to the main release of the shoe, I know in the sneakers that, bro, a lot of people took L's, tons of people took L's, and this sneaker pretty much sold out with the quickness. Like, if you didn't have a bot, or if you didn't have a friend that worked somewhere, you honestly took an L, bro. Unless you just got super lucky and caught the dub. But I got lucky. I don't know. I just be figuring out how to do it, bro. I didn't even go after this shoe on release day, because, you know, usually I would have did a live cop. Don't worry, the live cops are coming back. But this day, I was kind of not feeling that good, so I just slept in, and I passed on them. But then again, I ended up coming in clutch at the same time. Also, when it comes to this shoe, they come with pink laces. I think that's pretty fire. Also, how do you guys feel about this sneaker right here, the Air Jordan 1 High OG BIOHAK? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? I didn't mention also that navy blue going throughout the toe of the shoe and then going up towards the eye holes of the shoe. Also didn't mention that. Also, I didn't mention that silver swoosh that's around here too. That's definitely a cool look. And another thing that I didn't mention is almost how like the wings around here separate, like the Nike Dunk High. Like these separate. That, oh, I just realized that that's a Volt inside there. What made them go with that? Okay, probably to go with the midsole. Very different shoe. Listen, as you guys already know, there is a full review and on-foot review coming soon, so please go ahead and stay tuned for that. Thank y'all for watching as always. How do you guys feel about the Air Jordan 1 BIOHACK? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? How do you guys feel about this like deconstructed tongue? You know what I'm saying? Because that right there is a definite different look, you know? How do you guys feel about these wild colors, bro? Because I've heard a lot of my friends talk about them. I've either heard that they're fire, too fire, or trash, mega trash, or absolutely trash. Let me know in the comment section down below. I really need to know what the fam thinks about them, so let me know in the comment section down below. Without further ado, as you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon. I got more bangers coming soon. Stay tuned for that review and on-foot review. And all I have to say is, hey, thank y'all for watching as always, and blessings, blessings, blessings. Chris Briggs, signing out. You did.